Chiquinha, chiquinha.
Go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. Okay, so I'm just gonna film this little spot right here. So let's just get right into it and just want to show you how cool this is. So you have all this right in here, and then this little thing, they kind of burn it right in that spot on the other side. And this is actually right in the street too, so you can see lots of people kind of coming by. I'm gonna film that right there. So basically they burn incense, so you know, so obviously somebody comes here quite frequently to do this, because there's like 3 different ones, you know. So actually there's like a lot of detail if you click in there really close. So okay, let's just go back over this way. And same thing right there, you know, someone's obviously coming in and starting those on a regular basis, so it's kind of cool. You know, these are all the little gods. So actually that one, there's a little message right there. It looks like it's something they use. So sometimes these particular ones, they have no hands, so it's kind of interesting, right? So that one, there's the messages there is, so okay. It's pretty cool. And all the detail as well. Actually, everybody comes by and they're always looking at me when I take the camera, but it's fine. I don't mind. I'm just gonna go around here, and then you can see like the beauty of this tree. Some incense that's up in the tree as well. And sometimes I'm kind of amazed at sometimes there's like a broom in there. They kind of put storage in here sometimes too. Sometimes they put like, there's like urns too. Like somebody who's homeless is leave their trash. Sometimes I notice people will leave their trash around too. I don't know why they do that. You'd think they'd have more respect about it, but I mean around a shrine. But I guess I don't know. Maybe it's just the way. And then basically this whole area right here is all a park. So there's a park right there. So, okay, so I just wanted to show you that. Just to give you a little context, this is over there is China on that side, but we're in the Macau side right here.
Chiquinha, chiquinha, toma cuidado pra você.